What's up, kinks? It is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is a That Nap Life video. I'm coming at y'all with my moisturizing, simple DIY whipped shea aloe vera butter. If you want to know how I put it together and why I like it, keep watching. NappyFu checking in. Lego. What's up, y'all? What you gotta say? Here's my shea aloe recipe. You get it? Okay, sorry, that was kind of corny. This video is kind of a two-in-one, so I'm showing you how I make my whipped shea butter, and I'm also going to show you how I like to do it when I'll add in aloe vera. Let's go ahead and get into these ingredients and tools. Of course, you'll need shea butter. Shea butter, the star of the show, the money maker, the highlighter. I say highlighter. Y'all know what I mean, highlighter. Anyway, here we go. So yeah, shea butter. You also need a non-greasy oil. My favorite one is almond oil. And then you'll need coconut oil, which helps with the solidifying of the shea butter. Great, beneficial. If you use nothing but oils that does not solidify at room temperature, you might come out with a more greasier result. I'm just giving you a little tip. Of course, you need aloe vera, okay? Moisturizing, clearly it's non-greasy, and so much more. And then I'll be using my wonderful handheld blender along with a stove, a bowl, and a pot. Two oils I forgot to show is the jojoba oil, which is actually a wax, and the peppermint oil. And the reasons I use each of these oils you will find in the description box, so please check them out. Check them out, okay? So these are all the stars of the show, shea butter being the headliner, and here we go. First step you want to do is melt and infuse the butters and oils together, except for the essential oil. You do not want to use the essential oil at the heating phase, okay? Also, make sure your temperature is low and the bowl is the right size. My temperature is way too high, and I had to switch some things up. Almost burnt the house down. Side note, the right heat, the right size bowl only applies to us that's kind of doing our own DIY double boiler method. But if you have an actual double boiler, then you know you wouldn't have to worry about all this. All right, so I'll let all my butter melt down for the most part. And then it's when I'm gonna add these different oils in, along with coconut, jojoba, almond, and of course the shea butter. Leaving out, again, my essential oil will not be used during this heating phase, nor will the gel, of course, okay? So I'm gonna let that all melt together. After that, I let it sit for a little while for it to chill and relax before we get into the next step. And that's about it, yeah. Second phase, I put into my freezer and I let it get at least about 40% solidified. I don't want it completely solid because then it makes it harder for me to blend out. So just solid enough, like you see here, that even the middle part you can kind of tell it's still a little oily or whatever, but it's not completely hard like rock, okay? All right, so after that, it is time to blend. Now, for some reason, I find the sound of a blender very relaxing, so I'm gonna let y'all hear it like a little ASMR type of stuff. Did y'all find that relaxing? I don't know. I just feel so relaxed whenever I'm blending stuff. I really love to do it. I don't know why. But anyway, here we go. Fourth, I'm adding my essential oil and my aloe vera gel in now. All the measurements and everything will be in the description box, y'all, okay? So here, I want you to notice that when you do add in the aloe vera gel, the consistency is going to change, y'all. It's going to become almost like clay. And you're gonna see that in a little bit. It's not gonna be as creamy as it was before. It almost turns into this clay meshing type of way. You're gonna see when I take the blender and I'm just kind of sticking that in. Yeah. So in order to rectify that, just add some more oil in. I chose to use coconut oil, but I probably should use jojoba or almond oil instead. More of non-greasy options, but it's okay. So I went ahead and used coconut oil, and as you can see, that creamy consistency that I love, that Contour loves so much, is all up on your screen. Look at that thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love it. Love it. Don't you be happy when your mix comes out the way you want it to? Oh, I be rooting my cell phone like, yeah, you did that. You did that thing there. Good job. And now we're at the packaging state, and you just kind of let it just sit. Now I know I could have put this inside of like a plastic bag and squeezed it out into that circular shape I see a lot of YouTubers do. But your girl's just frugal. I'm just like, I want all my butter. If I have to transfer this into a plastic bag, that's more butter that's gonna get stuck in the plastic bag. I ain't got time for that. It's gonna go from that bowl into the containers. And what's left in that bowl I couldn't scrape out of, I will be using, okay? You see me about to wipe off the spoon. I want every bit of my Shea Aloe. I'm just saying, please. I don't waste any product. I don't waste anything. All right, y'all, so here we go. My creamy Shea Aloe. Only difference when it comes to making regular whipped shea butter is me just not adding in the aloe vera. Everything else stays the same. Here we are, about a month or so later. A little goes a long way, y'all. Okay, those 2 containers is gonna last me several months. And I'm just showing you a little clip of how I work it into my hands and then into my wonderful 4C hair, aka I call her Contour. What's good, Contour? Okay, you all up on the screen looking good. Hey, how you doing? Okay, let me stop. All right, y'all, so here we come to today's Snapchat question. What is your whipped butter recipe? Do you like to add aloe? Do you like shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, aloe? But like, let me know what's your favorite butter recipe or oil recipe. Let me know in the comment box below. Trust me, your response would definitely help another kink out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that. And I will catch you kinks on the next one. Until then, please, sister, brother, uncle, auntie, eat healthy things, drink your water, do your scalp massages, keep your scalp clean, keep your hair moisturized, because we know in order to have healthy hair, we got to do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful.